My personal presentation. Hi, my name is Fiorella Wamangia Siwa. I am 28 years old. I am Peruvian and I study accounting at Continental University. I I study in a distance learning program. I can speak Spanish and a little English. I I can use a computer very well and I can write academic things. I can also work in a team and solve problems. I like to listen to music and read books. I do like to watch horror movies. I usually bathe at I 6 a.m. I take a shower and eat breakfast. Then I attend my virtual class or do my homework. In the afternoon, in the afternoon, I study and sometimes help at home. I night I have dinner and relax. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Now let me describe my room. There is a bed in the center of the room. There is a desk next to the window. On the desk there is a laptop and some books. There are two chairs and a small closet. My room is comfortable and quiet. I like spending time there. I live in Cusco. There are many beautiful places in my city. There are mountains, churches, and historical sites. There is a famous place called Machu Picchu near my city. It is very important and beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you.